One of the important factor in this concept is लोगों को change पसंद नहीं है. Me and my brother, we speak Sindhi at home. We were talking in Sindhi and she was like, "Oh my God, you people speak in Sindhi."
नुआ न त न्याणो आणंदो पर हो बि ओतिरो ई प्यार कंदो ताके. Sindhi is the next big thing.
I have these two phenomenal Kolhapur people with me. Welcome to the Sindhi Film Festival. I have Vandana Nirankari and Vishal Pinjani with me. They both just delivered fantastic TEDx talks. I want you both guys to tell me in brief about what you do. We'll start with you.
Well, I own and run a bookstore and a publication, but that is not why I'm here at TEDx. I'm here at TEDx because I have started a support group for the LGBTI of Kolhapur. LGBTI stands for lesbians, gays, bisexual, transgender, intersex, and Q&A, queer and asexual people. The LGBTIQA community in India lives in constant fear of the unaccepting and ignorant society. What we do under our support group, which is called Abhiman, is educate the people and sensitize the people about our problems and about issues that we face on day-to-day basis.
Lovely. Vandana, what do you do?
Well, I recently became a girl from who wanted to just be busy with her work to someone who revitalizes the Sindhi language.
Fantastic.
So that is what I do. I revitalize the language through music.
Our video, Sikame, has crossed 4 million views last week.
Yay.
I am so proud. Oh my God.
I am so happy.
I'm so proud, so happy. And you already know this, we have lyrics by heart. Urja and I, we are like, oh my God, singing it all the time.
Like all her songs. All her songs.
All
Yes.
the time, tips are helpful. It's their vision. It's all.
No, but now I want you both to tell me, why do you do what you do? It's not only business, right? There's something more behind it. You're very passionate about what you do.
In my case, there's nothing about business in what I do. So I am myself a homosexual, a gay person, and I have lived through a terrible past being a gay person myself, and I know what it feels like. I was on the verge of suicide when I was in my teenagers, and you see every day, even day before, somebody in Chennai, a 16-year-old committed suicide because he was being teased and bullied. So the reason why I do what I do is because I've been there, and I feel that if more people like me come out, it would save lives. It would inspire other people to accept the LGBT, and the LGBT will be inspired to live their lives and not give up.
Why do you sing, Vandana? Why has this been something that you enjoy doing?
So I think it all started by the values that my father put me in. He always wanted me to sort of know myself and who are you, why are you on this planet Earth, all these questions. He literally pushed at me when I was around 14 and 16 years old. And since then, I wanted to make a difference in society through some or other thing. And it happened so that I had never planned the language revitalization, but hote kadi se kadi jud ke, I think it's all destiny.
And a lot of hard work.
Of course, of course.
Now, how do you do it? We'll start with you. How do you do what you've done? You've shot another music video, and your music videos have been coming since a couple of years, which have garnered a lot of views. How do you do this? I mean, I'm not asking you to tell me the strategy, but whatever you can tell.
So I play safe game, to be honest, because you don't want to give something new to people and then they go blank as to kya hai ye. So what I do is I take old Sindhi songs and revive it using modern Western music, and that is working.
Lovely. Because it's a lot more, hip hop. It makes me want to dance while I'm singing.
Makes us all want to dance.
What?
Makes us all want to dance.
I agree, totally. How do you do what you're doing, Vishal? How are you bringing awareness? How are you making people not be very distant from the LGBTQ community?
So there's a lot of hatred and prejudice against the LGBT,
Yes.
especially in Sindhi community. Sindhi
We're
people
coming
are
to
not
that.
very
We're coming to
accepting
that.
and ye.
Yeah.
But like any hate and any prejudice, the reason is ignorance.
Yes.
So our first step in our work is to educate people, to sensitize them about the LGBT. बहुत बार लोगों को गलतफहमी होती है, इसलिए वो इस तरह से रिएक्ट करते हैं LGBT की तरफ.
Yeah.
तो हमारा पहला कदम ये है कि we educate people, we make them aware of our existence, and that's how we go on. That's the first step, and then comes sensitizing them.
Now, talking about the Sindhi community, I want you both to tell me what role do you think we, the current generation, play in changing things and breaking whatever the bad traditions, so-called, have been in the Sindhi community.
So first thing is lead by example, which all three of us are doing here. You are doing a great job.
Thank you.
And so is Vandana. So first thing is like lead by example. If you want to inspire other Sindhis to great things, you do great things yourself. And if there are other people who are trying to great things, help them with that.
Yeah.
Vandana has always been supportive of my cause. She's always been vocally supportive of it, be it social media or on ground. And I guess I have always been there for her, like when she's launched her videos and all, and we are like trying to,
In my very first video itself.
I am there in the first video, yes. So be a role model yourself.
Yeah.
First thing. Second, if there's somebody else, help them, and that's how we build the community, and all of us come together.
No, but LGBTQ is a very taboo topic. To be honest with you, I haven't come across any Sindhi stating that he's a homosexual.
So I guess.
And without any, hesitancy or just feeling very meek and not okay. So I haven't met anybody, and I was so happy when I heard your TEDx talk. I'm like, this man is phenomenal. We need more of him. So when it comes to Sindhi society, how do we break the taboo?
See-
LGBTQ normal thing, mano hi thing. How do we do this?
So, जैसे you told कि we get conscious, we get meek, we don't talk about it ये ठीक है. मैं भी पहले बहुत डरता था बात करते होकर, बट डर डर के ही आप एक एक कदम रखते जाते हो और कॉन्फिडेंस आता जाता है, और जब तुमको पता है कि तुम सच की राह पे हो तो डर नहीं लगता. You don't feel scared.
Wise words.
So डर डर के ही क्यों नहीं, if there are other LGBTI people, try speaking to your parents. हमारे पेरेंट्स इतने भी नैरो माइंडेड और अनएजुकेटेड नहीं है जितना हम सोचते हैं. वो ऐसे करते हैं ताकि हम गलत राह पे नहीं चले जाए, तो इतना मुश्किल नहीं
But
है.
they are also afraid, no?
They are also afraid. तो वो कुछ समाज का डर रहता है, कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए प्यार रहता है, और जब आप देखोगे कि समाज का डर और बच्चों के लिए प्यार है, तो बच्चों का प्यार हमेशा पहले ही आएगा माँ बाप के लिए, वो तुमको एक्सेप्ट
So
जरूर
we have to
करेंगे.
mutually help each other.
Yes,
The
yes.
family
I think
members. Yeah.
one of the important factor in this concept is लोगों को change पसंद नहीं है, and throughout the
Thank you.
centuries,
Yeah.
throughout the centuries, बेटे को ऐसे देखा जाता है कि हमारा घर बढ़ाएगा, आगे बच्चे पैदा करेगा, फूलेगा फलेगा.
Yeah, so-
So suddenly someone being a gay, तो उनको they cannot accept it. They cannot accept the change basically.
नुवा जो ख्वाब हुंदो हर माँ जो.
सुहिणी नुवा.
नुवा न त न्याणो आनंदो पर हो भी ओतिरो ही प्यार कंदियो ताके.
Agree. Yeah. So going forward, how do you think you can make a difference?
In
First
terms
is
of-
leading by example. In terms of just changing whatever is going on in the Sindhi society. For example, the other day when you were talking on the phone, you told me someone had come over, and when you and your brother were talking in Sindhi. Yeah, so I want you to tell me that
One of my
example.
cousin
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
I mean, I sing Sindhi songs. She knows that. And me and my brother, we speak Sindhi at home. We were talking in Sindhi, and she was like, "Oh my God, you people speak in Sindhi?" Yeah, of
Making
course.
fun of it.
Making
No, but
fun of
also
it.
something like, oh, it's an exotic language. Oh, you're speaking in that. She knows she sings Sindhi songs.
By the way, I want to clarify. असां खे तव्हां सभिनि खे हिकिड़ो क्लैरिफिकेशन ॾियणो आहे. भाई असां हाणे इंग्लिश में था ॻाल्हायूं टू रीच आउट अ ब्रॉडर ऑडियंस,
Yeah,
पर
thank
ऑफ द कैमरा असां टे हमेशा सिंधीअ में ॻाल्हाईंदा आहियूं. भले कोई लफ़्ज़ हुजे न अचनि त असां हिक ॿिए खे पुछंदा आहियूं भाई हिन खे सिंधीअ में छा चइजे, पर असां हमेशा हिक ॿिए सां सिंधीअ में ई ॻाल्हाईंदा
And
आहियूं.
जब मुंहिंजो proper full length interview सिंधीअ में अचे थो त don't worry.
हा, त हे न त तव्हां चवंदा भई असां केॾा वॾा हिपोक्रेट आहियूं, असां
Yeah, no,
सिंधीअ
we're
जे
not.
बारे में ॻाल्हायूं था, we are speaking in English. That is because there are some people who actually still don't understand Sindhi. They are Sindhi, but they don't speak, they
Yes,
don't talk.
because
It
they
is
haven't been
to
brought up
reach
in
out to these people that we
Yeah.
are having this
No,
interview.
my
in
audience
Sindhi.
knows that on Sindhi Film Festival channel, on the Sindhi Film
Oh,
channel,
great,
there are
great.
videos in Sindhi and English languages both. So they know we are not hypocrites.
Amazing.
Please go on.
Yeah. So I think my philosophy is very simple and clear. Be the change you want to see in the world.
How lovely. Very simple.
जेतिरो असां एडवाइस ॾेई माण्हुनि खे चेंज कंदासीं न, उन खां वधीक असां जंहिंमहिल पाण उन नक्शे कदम ते हलंदासीं, पोइ माण्हू people will change.
Fantastic. I'm going to wrap this video up. Tell the audience one last message that you want to say, you want to reach out to, whichever audience you want to reach out to. And I'm sure they would be happy to hear that from you.
Because I'm working with the LGBTI, and because now I'm addressing to the Sindhi people, if there is any lesbian, gay, transgender, intersex, queer, asexual Sindhi,
Mind you, we are saying this with a smile.
smile.
It's okay.
Yeah, if there's any Sindhi, lesbian, gay, transgender, intersex, queer, asexual person listening to me right now, there are others like you, and there are others like you who have tried and come out and have been successful. We are there for you. If you are struggling to come out to yourself or to your family, you can reach out to us. We are there for you. That's all I have to say to the LGBTI Sindhi community and to the Sindhi community in general. Sindhi is the next big thing. It's the cool thing. And speak Sindhi, sing in Sindhi. It's a lovely culture. It's an old culture. It's an indigenous language. It's not inspired from any foreign country or anything. Sindhi boli mein galayo, Sindhi gayo, aur Sindhin jo naam roshan karo.
Do you want to give any message?
Sure. I think rather than being a victim and fighting over it, असां जंहिंमहिल हिन पृथ्वी ते ईंदा आहियूं असांखे पर्टिकुलर कास्ट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री पर्टिकुलर कल्चर ॾिनो वियो हूंदो आहे दैट वी डोंट हैव द ऑप्शन टू चूज़ बट वॉट वी कैन चूज़ टू सेलिब्रेट इट So it's not just about Sindhi, it's celebrating your respective languages, your respective culture, your sense of self and celebrating who you are basically.
That's lovely. I want to ask you all, why was it important to speak at an event like TEDx, and what importance do you think that is making when it comes to the map of Kolhapur? You know, you two doing phenomenal work on the global map, but when it comes to Kolhapur, what difference is it making to talk in the city and meet people here? TEDx talk.
So just like we take pride in being Sindhis, we are very proud Kolhapurites. I love Kolhapur as much as I love Sindh and Sindhis. And TEDx is important because it's a phenomenon. Everybody watches TEDx videos. There have been some great speakers and some amazing ideas that have come forth through TEDx. And we wanted to use TEDx as a platform to pass our message. Like, there's a lot of awareness that needs to be created in the society about the LGBTI, and TEDx was perfect. And I'm glad that that opportunity was provided to me and I made use of it.
Lovely use of it. Yes.
I think sometimes it so happens that we do certain things that are really, really important and which are worth appreciating, but we are not being recognized. But platforms like TEDx, and recently I had an article in Mumbai Mirror. So platforms like these help us help people to take us seriously. I would say.
Agreed. Yeah, you have to reach out to them. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's just like, Sindhi ta kan.
Exactly.
That's all. But we are not just doing Sindhi. We are actually making work happen on the ground level. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for taking the time out. Thank you for
Thank you
speaking
very
at
much for
TEDx.
inviting us, and thank you very much for
having us.
Hi guys, I'm Vishal Pinjani. You can find me on Instagram as Vishal Pinjani and on Facebook with the same name. And I request you all to follow Sindhi Film Festival. You can get more updates about Sindhi, Sindhiyat and all of us.
Thank you. Your turn.
Hi, this is Vandana Nankari. My Instagram profile is Vandana Official 12. This girl is doing amazing, promoting Sindhiyat all over the world, and we need more people like her. So please like her channel, share the video, subscribe her channel, and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
And do invite us for more interviews so that we can.
Oh yes, in very nice hotels. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
do call us
This is a
in
nice
London.
hotel. Yeah.
Okay, yes, London is our next stop. We're going.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Sindhi video full length. Please watch out. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.